Welcome to Spelling Bee Contest. Level B. Topic: Nature and Environment.
1. Atmosphere. It is the mixture of gases that surrounds the Earth. 2. Canal. This is a water channel built across the land for boats and ships to travel along. 3. Canyon. This is a deep valley with steep sides of rock. 4. Creature. This is a living thing, real or imaginary, that can move around, such as an animal. 5. Habitat. This is the place where a particular type of animal or plant is normally found. 6. Iceberg. This is an extremely large mass of ice floating in the sea. 7. Lighthouse. This a tower with strong light to warn and guide ships near the coast. 8. Meadow. This is a field covered in grass, used especially for hay. 9. Mountain. This is a very high hill, often with rocks near the top. 10. Oasis. This is an area in the desert where there is water and plants. 11. Oxygen. This gas is present in air and water and is necessary for people, animals and plants to live. 12. Pollution. This is the process of making air, water and soil dirty or toxic. 13. Rapids. This is a part of a river where the water flows very fast, usually over rocks. 14. Tide. This is a regular rise and fall in the level of the sea, caused by the pull of the moon and sun. 15. Tropical. It is coming from, found in or typical of the tropics. 16. Tunnel. This is an underground passage. 17. Valley. This is an area of low land between hills or mountains. 18. Volcano. This is a mountain with a large, circular hole at the top through which hot liquid rock and gases are forced out into the air. 19. Waterfall. This is a place where a stream or river falls from a high place. 20. Wildlife. This is an animal that is wild and lives in a natural environment.
Goodbye. See you again.